goes aside from my soul.
Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and today's day 2 of my One Palette for a Week series. In case you missed the first day, it'll be linked down below for you. But if you are not interested or curious, just know this week I am using the Brown Sugar palette. And for today's look, I woke up wanting to pretty much use all of the warm tones in this palette. Not a lot of them, if you look at it, are that warm toned, which is quite nice because like I explained yesterday, this palette does have cool tones, warm tones, and neutral tones, but there's just enough of every single shade for you to create either one of those toned looks or whatever. And like I said, today I just felt like I really wanted to use all the warm tones. This orangey shade here, it's absolutely stunning. I love using amber for all over the crease, and sometimes I even like using it all over the eye, and I'm just really pleased. I'm just really pleased as to how everything turned out. So I don't have any more babbling for this intro, so let's just get right into this. Yes! Alright, as always, I'm going to start by priming my lids. I have been using this Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. I don't think it honestly does anything as far as longevity, but I really like it because it does cover up all of my little veins or discoloration on my eyelids. First color I'm going to go into is Chai, and I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush and I am going to set my eyeshadow primer, only because I want my colors to blend out a little bit lighter. If I didn't set this sticky base, the colors would definitely be a little bit more vibrant. I want a softer, more blended look to my eyeshadow today. Taking my Sedona Lace EB13, I'm going to go into the shade Amber, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade today. This shade, in my opinion, is super duper pigmented, so I am going to work with this shade little by little and build up the intensity. Then I'm going to go into Chai with that same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to sweep this color right above where I just laid Amber to blend that edge out. Now on a Sedona Lace EB15, I'm going to pick up the shade Chalk, which is a beautiful, almost like a reddish brown color, and I think it would look beautiful with this orangey color that I've got going on in the crease. And I'm going to focus this color on the outer part of my eye here in sort of stamping motions. And then I'm going to blend some of that into the crease as well. Then I'm going to go back in with that first fluffy brush and blend things out here. The lid, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Auburn, and I'm going to be placing this in the innermost part of my eye here with my finger. Then I'm just going to take that same little fluffy brush that I was working with earlier, and I'm just blending this out. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Amber first. And then on that same little brush, I'm going to pick up the tiniest bit of Chalk and just blend that out. And you know what? I never do this, but I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Auburn as well on the tiniest little pencil brush, and I'm just going to be focusing this color in the inner part of that lower lash line. And just add a little bit of sparkle there. I think it'll look pretty. So you could totally just rock some mascara with this look, and I think it would be really pretty. However, I am going to go in with some liquid liner. I'm just going to do a simple line across the eye and Then I'm gonna add a ton of mascara. I almost forgot inner corner highlight. How could I? I'm just gonna go into the shade Ginger. It's pretty much the only shade that you can use in this palette as your inner corner unless you use your face highlighter. But nonetheless, it is a beautiful highlighting shade. Sparkle, sparkle. And that's all I've got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed day 2 of my one palette for a week. I really love the way that this look came out. I think everything just looks absolutely beautiful and glowy. That gorgeous auburn shade on the eyelids, especially with like my eye color, I think it's just like perfection. If you're curious on my lips, I'm wearing one of these new Physician formulas like lip balms or whatever. I picked mine up in the shade Brazilian Nut. It's like the warmest, brownest one that they've got, and I think it looks absolutely stunning paired with this look. The colors really complement each other, and it almost looks like a monochromatic look, so I love that look, and I was just excited that that paired so well with the eye look I created today. So yeah, if you're still excited for my one palette for a week series, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.